Bengal election is knocking the door. What is going to happen? In 4th May, that have the result out there. In first, we saw there have uh, 5 or 7 division of voting date, but in present time here now 2 term of vote, 23 April and 29 April, and after that 5 May is going to count day, 4 May, sorry. So what would be happen in Bengal election? That is the plus point and very controversial point. From the BJP's leader, they said that this time we defeat Mamata Banerjee. Trinamool leaders, they speak that BJP never come in West Bengal. So that is the contradictory. There are many news open out. Sometimes you saw that some TMC leader, they he give the threat for voters to casting their vote for their party. Sometimes you saw the army, they have been suspended for playing carom on in the club. So that is continuously going on. The high voltage battleground is being outvassed. Shubhendu Adhikari, he wants to try the chair of chief minister, and that's why he continuously nexus with Amit Saho and pray to Amit Saho to touching his leg. So that is the continue going on in Bengal battlefield. The equation is being very tough for the BJP winning. Why? Because in the 50-meter race, in any election, it said that there have a 50-meter race. If any political party, they got the 50% vote, take the regime. So that is the India's poll strategy. So in past time, BJP got 38% vote share and TMC got 48% vote share. So they are 10% different. But in this 50% race, 50-meter race, Mamata Banerjee always go ahead for 30 meters, because in West Bengal there have 30% Muslim population, and this 30% Muslim population near about 25% casting their vote to TMC. So that's why Mamata Banerjee near about 25 meter ahead of the 50-meter race. So that is the equation. So Mamata Banerjee need only 25%. So Mamata Banerjee go ahead of 25 meter on the race of 50 meter. And there have different welfare schemes, especially for Lokhir Bhandar, that's women welfare scheme. And women Lokhir Bhandar is the highly outburst in West Bengal, heavily strong against the BJP, because in Mohilas in West Bengal, especially for village women, they have not money. Many village women, their child are being unemployed. So in this 1500 or 2000 money is the very significant for Mohila voters, and they always recite or they always speak about this matter. So this significant welfare scheme is highly being casting to vote to the TMC. So that is the equation point, that Mamata Banerjee is now 25% ahead, and after that Mohila voters is go ahead and tilt towards the TMC. Here is BJP's vote share in previous time 38%. It can be encroached, it can be raised little bit 2 or 3%. And last election, last assembly election, BJP got 77 seat, and this time little bit increase their seat. This time it can be happened 100 plus seat to BJP, but there have a point that after that, if they want to be more increase their vote share, it is not possible for the BJP because there have a different perception in West Bengal, and TMC creates some narrative that they are outsider, they are doing that, they are doing this, and the scam of TMC government like Nokri scam and other scam, it is not to be outburst in ground level, and BJP's network in ground level is very low, very it is like cut out because the money come from central, it is not dispersed to the ground level. So this high voltage battlefield is now tilt to the TMC government, and Mamata Banerjee is going to the fourth time Chief Minister of West Bengal. Thank you.